All right, what is up, everybody? I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe out there. This is a quick little tutorial video to help you to learn how to navigate from the NCEdCloud into Canvas. Canvas is what all teachers are transitioning into the fourth quarter for. So starting today, all work will start being posted in Canvas. Anything posted in Canvas will be graded for fourth quarter work. So the first thing you're going to do is, if you'd like to, you can go to my website, mrarchermath.weebly.com, and follow along if you're unfamiliar with Canvas. If you're a little bit familiar with Canvas, you should be able to follow along at the point in which I get into Canvas. But for those of us that are brand new to CMS and the use of Canvas, the easiest way might to be just go to my website and follow along from there. So first thing, quick little announcement. Again, all work is transitioning into Canvas. This is per CMS in the state of North Carolina. It will be graded and it will determine the amount of effort put into this, whether or not these days will be made up over the summer. So please make sure you're spreading this around to everybody that you know. A couple of things. This is the Canvas tutorial video. So if you want to rewatch the video, you can click here. It'll take you directly to it. Below that is a Canvas tutorial PowerPoint. They are instructions for parents. You click on that, it will give you detailed instructions on how parents can sign up to be able to monitor Canvas for their students. And lastly, if you click on this box, the third one at the bottom, it will take you directly to the NCEdCloud. So you'll click on that, and then the next screen that you see will be this screen. You should be pretty familiar with this. This is how you get into PowerSchool and check your grades. From there, your screen will look slightly different than my screen. This is the teacher's overview. We just have more options than you do, but you will definitely have one of the tiles that will say Canvas in red. You will click on that. It will log you directly into Canvas. When you get to Canvas, the first thing you should see is your courses. If this is not the first screen that pops up, what you're probably going to want to do is click on courses and go to either all courses or they should be listed. Again, your screen's going to look a little different because you have more courses than me. I only teach math. So again, this is where all of your courses will be listed. So again, ELA, social studies, math, science, your electives, everything will go through Canvas for the fourth quarter. To be able to show you through the math one, you'll click on your math class. It will take you to the home page. The home page, I have the directions for navigating Canvas. This was updated on March 30th. So there are four things that I want to go over in this tutorial video. The first thing being that you need to read the announcements tab each week. Each week I will post an announcement that will just give you a quick overview of what is going on for that week. So this one, the first one, I posted it last night. You'll click on that link. There are 3 sections. I've labeled them in colors, red, blue, and purple. Please read each section. Again, the red section just talks about that we have transitioned to Canvas and that it is important that you stay on top of your work so that these days do not have to be made up and we can give you an official grade for the fourth quarter. This section in blue is the work expectations. For math class, you're going to have 2 guided video lessons per week, one for Tuesday and one for Thursday. You will have 2 assignments, one assignment following Tuesday's video and one assignment following Thursday's video. We still will be giving tests and quizzes, but they will be announced later on as we get more information from the district. Again, a quick little overview of what I just talked about. Down below on the announcements are the Zoom tutorial help. We will get to this a little bit more in detail in a few moments, but starting March 31st and Thursday, April 2nd from 10 a.m. to 10:45 a.m., the 7th grade math department will be holding help sessions via Zoom. For you, those of you unfamiliar with Zoom, it's a free app that can be downloaded and you will be able to conference with your math teachers to get additional help. Again, these are all 3 of the announcements that we need. So I'm going to go back to the home page. The second part of this tutorial is going to be to click on modules. This is where your work will be each week. Week 1's work is already set up. So I click on modules. I have the first lesson and I have the first PowerSchool assignment. I have the second video lesson and I have the second PowerSchool assignment. Again, the PowerSchool assignments are what will be graded. They will be submitted via Problematic, so you should be pretty familiar once you get into those. Again, you can click on it. It gives you instructions and a bit.ly to take you to be able to do each component. The last two things I want to talk about are the files option. So underneath of assignments and modules is a files icon. Here I will continue to post the guided notes that go in with each video for each week. And I will also still post the warm-ups as a Word document for those of you that like to keep it how we used to do it in class. So these are up to you. You can either print them out and use them for however you would like. You can follow along with the videos and take notes in your notebook. It's completely up to you how you want to utilize the files that I upload into there. The last part about this tutorial are the Zoom tutorial sessions. I just want to talk briefly about that. Again, they will be starting March 31st and Thursday, April 2nd. They will run roughly 30 to 45 minutes depending on student needs. The link will be posted 15 minutes, so around 9:45 on Tuesdays and Thursdays. It will be sent via Remind, or I will also post it on Canvas. It will get posted right here where I just highlighted. Again, all you have to do is click on that. Some people like to go into it and be able to get just the code that you need to log in. If you need help operating Zoom, please email one of your teachers and we will walk you through step by step how to use Zoom. But it is pretty easy to use, and I know a lot of students have already been utilizing it. And finally, just to go along with that, I have the student Q4 weekly schedule. This is the recommended schedule to be able to utilize your time efficiently and ensure that teachers are available to help you. There are a couple different sections. The two that I want to hit on are the work time, work on assignment times, and the office hours. Okay. The work on assignment times, that are the designated Zoom support sessions. And underneath each teacher, so for ELA, they will be doing them on Mondays from 10 to 11, math from 10 to 11 on Tuesdays. And again, everywhere where it says Zoom is when your teachers will be available to help you via Zoom. Please make sure that when you log into Zoom, you are reading the directions on how to utilize Zoom correctly so that you can stay a part of the discussion. And the last thing I want to touch on are our office hours. Our office hours are also listed throughout this. However, the difference between work on assignment time and office hours are an hour out of each day. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, the days that we have scheduled for each thing, that your teachers will be available, but they will be available via Remind or email. So this is more for specific questions and needs that you need. Teachers will be available for that whole entire 1 hour. But please note, you are still available. We are still available to answer any questions outside of our office hours. It's just that we may not be able to get back to you right away. So again, I hope this tutorial helps you. Again, this is how you navigate using Canvas. If you have any questions or you can need any additional help, please send your teachers an email or a message through Remind, and we will help you out and make sure that you're successful during this fourth quarter. I hope everybody's doing well, and I look forward to seeing you all very soon.